Okay. Hello mga kasyunati. So good afternoon. So meron kaming trainees for today, Sunday, dito po sa RTG. Isa po sa mga court na pinaglalaroan ng Shono Sports Volleyball Training Camp. So andito na po yung mga trainees, mag-start na po. Go. Okay. Side step. Go. Ano yan? Side step? Baba niyo yung prep nyo. Baba yung prep. Mabilis ah. Go. Sabay. Sabay tayo dito ah. Ready, go. Go. Bilang kayo. Go. Okay. Okay. Good. Balik agad, Franz. Go. Ready. Go. Bilang. Go. Bilang kayo, sabay-sabay. 1 to 10. 1 to 10 ha. Ready, wait. Okay. Ready. 1 to 10. Bilang. Go. Go. Baba, baba, Adi. Go. Go. Ayan, mga kasyunati, start na po namin ng mga drills. Kakatapos na ng stretching. So, meron po kami ng footwork muna po kami. More on legs po. Ayan po yung mga trainees natin. Go. Okay. Forma. Balik. Ayan. Okay, ready. Up, 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 up. Huwag na kayo gumalaw. Ayan. Ready. Go. Isa pa. Up, stop. Good. Ready. Go. Okay. Ready. Go. Yung approach yung tamang approach. Ready. Go. Sige. Okay. Ready. Go. 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 Okay. Ready. Good. Nice one. Go. Good. Okay. Go. Yan. Okay. Go. Go. Okay. Go, go. Nice one. Okay. Ready? Ready? Okay. Ready? Receive. Yan! Adi, very good. Nice one. Right. Wait. Paturo din si ano, si Ed. Baba. Katawa, ikot. Yan. Baba mo pa yung ano mo. Babay mo. Go. Up, stop. Okay, ready? Go. Okay. Kapag ka pumito, ako palakpak, tapos execute na. Go. Boys, bola, boys! Habol kagad. Good. Dalawang set Erika, dalawang set. Advance na tayo, ma'am. Mag-advance na tayo. Opo, malalakas na itong mga bata. Mababa. Ayan po, ang service po ng training. Service po muna. Easy, go. Go. Ayan na po, cool down na po sila.
Sean Sports
Trainees ang bida.
Sean! Wow!
Ayan po ang aming cool down.
Let's go! Let's go, Sean! Let's go! Kapag cooperate kayo, sasakalin ko kami. Sports!
Yeah.
Sa Sean